Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll in order to find the security and biometrics. Let's tap on it, and of course that was a misclick. Security and biometrics. Then we have to scroll down to find encryption and credentials. And here, we do not have to really scroll down. We have to simply tap on the clear credentials option, which is almost at the very bottom. Let's confirm it with OK. Of course, you will have to confirm everything with your pattern PIN or password. And as you can see, we've got this information that the credential storage has been raised successfully. We've got also the evidence because we cannot tap on this option again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.